Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. Many administrators prefer to use a customized image containing all the necessary software, settings, and files for deploying Windows 11 rather than Microsoft Standard Image. This involves creating a reference installation of the OS tailored to their specific needs. After generalizing it with Sysprep, you can capture the Windows 11 image into a WIM for future deployment. In this video, we will explain how to use built-in tools to Sysprep and capture a reference Windows 11 image. I have prepared a clean virtual machine with a fresh installation of Windows 11. Now I'll configure this computer as a reference or golden image with all the required applications, drivers, settings, and configurations before deploying it to other devices. After a clean installation, Windows 11 boots into the out-of-box experience. Before customizing the image, you need to switch Windows to audit mode. From the out-of-box experience screen, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F3 or run sysprep.exe and select Enter System Audit Mode. The computer will automatically restart and boot into audit mode. Windows will sign in automatically using the built-in administrator account, even if it was previously disabled. Once the desktop appears, do not close the Sysprep window. Simply minimize it so it doesn't get in the way. You can now begin configuring your reference computer. I will start by installing the required drivers. In my case, I'm installing VMware Tools, which includes the necessary drivers and utilities for a virtual machine. On physical hardware, install the drivers and system utilities required for your specific device. Next, install all required applications and utilities, configure them, copy any necessary user data and configuration files, create shortcuts, and configure permissions. In short, customize the Windows environment according to your organization's requirements and deployment standards. The next step is removing any Microsoft Store applications that you don't want included in the Windows image. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the Get-AppxProvisionedPackage command. I have included the complete command in the description to this video below. The command displays a list of Microsoft Store applications provisioned in the Windows image. Select the applications you want to remove so they won't be automatically installed for new users. Hold the Ctrl key to select multiple apps. Open Settings, then Windows Update, then download and install all available Windows updates. The system is now ready for image preparation with Sysprep. Sysprep is used to generalize a Windows installation by removing hardware-specific information, resetting the computer SID, resetting the Windows activation state, and performing other cleanup tasks required before cloning or capturing a Windows image. Sysprep is located in the folder system root /system32 Sysprep. If you want Windows to copy the current user's desktop layout, shortcuts, registry settings, and application preferences to the default user profile, which serves as the template for all future user accounts, you must use an unattend.xml answer file with the copy profile setting enabled. Create an unattend.xml file in the Sysprep folder and copy the XML configuration provided in the description of this video into the file. To generalize the Windows image using the new answer file, run sysprep from an elevated command prompt with the oobe, shutdown, and unattend parameters. After sysprep completes, the computer will shut down automatically. You can now capture the prepared Windows 11 image. Boot the computer from external installation media. In this example, I'm using a standard Windows 11 installation ISO. At the Windows Setup screen, press Shift plus F10 to open a command prompt. Run the disk part command, then execute the list disk command to display the available disks. Next, run list volume to identify the drive letters assigned to each partition. In this example, the installed Windows partition is C, while E is the destination drive where I'll save the captured Windows image as a WIM file. To capture an offline Windows image from the WinP environment, use the built-in DISM tool with the Capture Image option. Specify the destination WIM file using the image file parameter, and use Capture Director to specify the drive containing the Windows installation you want to capture. Capturing the Windows image and saving it as a WIM file takes some time, typically around 30 minutes, depending on the size of the installation and the configured environment. After the capture process finishes, verify that the WIM file has been created on the destination drive. In my example, the resulting image is approximately 6 GB in size. Let's verify that the image was captured successfully. Use the DISM get-WIM-info command to display information about the Windows image stored in the WIM file. You can now copy this custom Windows image to your Windows 11 installation media or use it with traditional image-based deployment solutions such as Microsoft Deployment Toolkit or Windows Deployment Services. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.